Yo, what's going on? It's your boy. No, I'm just kidding. So what's going on, my pineapple truckers? Okay, I officially said that's what I'm gonna call you. Today, as you can see by the title, fidget spinners versus glass. Okay, so we're gonna be testing each and every one of them. Okay, to see which one can break the glass. I honestly don't think any of them will break this glass. Look at yeah, this glass is pretty strong, and if it doesn't work, I might have to get out a new one. And I don't have a cameraman, so I only have one hand. It's just me today, and every other day. So you're gonna yeah, alright. So I'm gonna try to get a camera angle here. Okay, this video has turned into the sadness. Alright. Oh, it's rolling. Alright. So you can see me, right? Hold on. Okay. It might be upside down. Shut up! I'm trying to film a video here. Alright, first. It's the guava juice fidget spinner, alright? Quick plug moment. Go subscribe to Guava Juice. Subscribe to me, Guava Juice. Get this from the Guava Juice box. And it might be sold out, so it's very light, so I don't think it's gonna do it. Okay, so we're gonna get it. Going real fast. Look, you can hear it. Ah! I lost you. Huh. You can hear it, okay? 10, 1. Fail. We're gonna give it another one because this one slows down easily. Fail. So this one's already out, so get rid of that. Jesus. So you can see my grass is so tall. Look at that. It's so tall. So let's get back to the filming. Hold on. Okay, we're good. Attempt 2. This one's already out. This one is pretty heavy. Can't really hear it. So if it breaks on me, I have no special equipment. Ready? It's unbreakable. Moved it. Doesn't do much. Alright, this one I have, it's really cool. Zodiac signs on it, but not gonna cut it because it's like that, but we'll give it a chance. Nope. It's a circle. I didn't think it was gonna do it. This one's also heavy. I can't hear it when it's spinning. We kind of can. Oh, crap. Every goddamn time. Okay. Hold on. Oh god, I suck at this. I need a cameraman. Alright, so it fell back a little, so we're gonna have to deal with it like this, alright? So we spin it, take it, glass. How? We already got 4 out of the page. 4 of them already out. Alright. this one does not spin for a long time. Ready? See, it already stopped. Alright. So you can't hear it when it spins at all. Can't even hear it when I put it straight up to my ear. So, let's go. What is my tortoise doing? No, and I'm even like doing that. Alright, so here we have one that I call the Jake Paul, because it has his camo on it, but it's not really by Jake Paul. He's just one of my favorite YouTubers. He has his camo on it, kind of. So, this has been Jake Paul versus, take two. This has been Jake Paul versus glass. Let me get it spinning. And then, that was anticlimactic. Okay, bye. Okay, did you really think the outro was gonna be that bad? No. Okay, so I didn't really get to see the camera half of that time. So that was about video was like 6 minutes. Last one was like 10 minutes. And yes, I know I said 2 videos a day, but got too excited. I just made my 3rd one. I just had this quick idea, but I was afraid I was gonna forget it because I tend to forget a lot. This has been Pineapple Dude signing out. Peace.